At its core, mathematics is a scientific discipline focused on the realm of calculations and logical reasoning. It stands as a cornerstone in our comprehension of the universe, playing an indispensable role in the progress of various other fields in science and technology. Nonetheless, it is intriguing to note that many of the most influential mathematicians in history, such as Leonhard Euler, Brahmagupta, and Euclid, often go unnoticed and underappreciated. 10. Girolamo Cardano. Girolamo, also known as Hieronimo Cardano, emerged as a versatile Italian polymath born in the year 1501. His extensive repertoire encompassed roles as a physician, mathematician, astrologer, and philosopher, wherein he made significant contributions to algebra, probability, physics, and medicine. His groundbreaking discoveries continue to label him as one of the foremost mathematicians of the Renaissance period. Cardano's birthplace was Pavia, situated in the Duchy of Milan, which is now part of modern-day Italy. Born as an illegitimate child to a lawyer and a widow, he embarked on his educational journey at the universities of Pavia and Padua, eventually achieving his medical degree in 1526. His career path led him to become both a mathematics lecturer and a highly accomplished physician. Over his lifetime, he authored a prolific collection of more than 200 books, spanning diverse subjects including medicine, mathematics, physics, philosophy, religion, and music, including his autobiographical work. However, Cardano's most enduring legacy lies in his pioneering work in the realm of probability, solidifying his position as one of the early trailblazers in the development of probability theory. 9. Carl Friedrich Gauss. Carl Friedrich Gauss, a luminary in the realms of mathematics and physics, graced the 18th and 19th centuries with his brilliance as a German scholar. Revered as one of the preeminent mathematicians in history, he left an indelible mark on diverse fields, including number theory, geometry, probability theory, astronomy, theory of functions, and electromagnetism. Born in Brunswick in 1777, Gauss's prodigious mathematical talent was evident from a young age. His scholarly journey led to the attainment of a doctorate from the University of Helmstedt in 1799, a pivotal moment marked by his initial proof of the fundamental theorem of algebra, a subject he continued to refine throughout his illustrious career. Amidst his studies, Gauss made remarkable breakthroughs, notably in 1796, when he demonstrated the geometric feasibility of constructing a heptadecagon, a 17-sided polygon. However, Gauss's enduring legacy is epitomized by his seminal work, Disquisitiones Arithmeticae, also known as Arithmetical Investigations. Furthermore, he made invaluable contributions through the invention of various surveying instruments and an early iteration of the magnetometer. Gauss's groundbreaking studies on magnetic and electric flux laid the foundation for James Clerk Maxwell's renowned electromagnetic theory. His name adorns a multitude of mathematical concepts and equations, including the Gaussian distribution, Gaussian elimination method, Gaussian gravitational constant, Gauss-Bonnet theorem, and numerous others, attesting to his enduring impact on the world of science and mathematics. 8. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Born on December 22, 1887, in the small town of Erode, situated in Tamil Nadu, India, Srinivasa Ramanujan emerged as a significant figure in the annals of mathematics, particularly in the domain of number theory. Diverging from others on this roster, Ramanujan embarked on a self-taught journey into advanced mathematics, absorbing knowledge from books and journals, and cultivating his own formulas from an early age. His mathematical prowess came to the attention of Godfrey H. Hardy, a renowned British mathematician, who extended an invitation for him to join Cambridge University in 1914. At Cambridge, Ramanujan, whose name found cinematic recognition in the film Good Will Hunting, engaged in collaborative efforts with Hardy and fellow mathematicians on a wide array of topics. In the realm of number theory, infinite series, partition functions, and the Riemann zeta function, he made noteworthy contributions. His work culminated in the publication of numerous papers in esteemed journals, ultimately earning him election to the Royal Society of London in 1918. Even in contemporary mathematical discourse, his enduring influence persists, with mathematical constants such as the Landau-Ramanujan constant and the Ramanujan-Soldner constant bearing his name as tributes to his indelible legacy. 7. Bernhard Riemann. Born in the Hanover region in 1826, Bernhard Riemann stood as a prominent figure in the realm of mathematics and physics. His academic journey led him to the universities of Göttingen and Berlin, where he drew inspiration from luminary mathematicians of his era, most notably Carl Friedrich Gauss. In 1851, he achieved his doctoral degree with a dissertation centered on complex analysis, and subsequently, in 1859, he ascended to the position of a professor at Göttingen following his renowned lecture on the foundational principles of geometry. Riemann's intellectual pursuits involved collaboration with fellow mathematicians, including Bernard Bolzano, Richard Dedekind, and Gustav Roch, all of whom contributed to the refinement of his work. Riemann's scholarly contributions were transformative, leaving an indelible mark on numerous domains within mathematics and physics. He introduced innovative concepts such as Riemann surfaces, Riemann integrals, Riemann zeta function, Riemann hypothesis, Riemannian geometry, and the Riemann-Roch theorem. These groundbreaking ideas served as the bedrock for the advancement of complex and real analysis, number theory, algebraic and differential geometry, and even Albert Einstein's groundbreaking theory of general relativity. Riemann's discoveries maintain their relevance in contemporary scientific endeavors, permeating fields as diverse as quantum mechanics, cryptography, and string theory, underscoring his enduring influence on the sciences. 6. Leonhard Euler. Leonhard Euler, a Swiss polymath whose talents spanned mathematics, physics, astronomy, engineering, and more, played a pivotal role in shaping various scientific disciplines. He is recognized as one of the early trailblazers in the development of graph theory and topology, while also making pioneering contributions to fields such as analytic number theory, complex analysis, and infinitesimal calculus. Euler's journey began in Basel, Switzerland, in 1707, where his innate mathematical aptitude became evident during his formative years. Under the tutelage of Johann Bernoulli, a significant figure in the nascent field of calculus, Euler's intellectual prowess flourished. He furthered his education at the University of Basel, achieving a master's degree by the young age of 20 in 1726. Euler's profound insights yielded substantial advancements in the realm of modern mathematics and science. His enduring legacy includes groundbreaking contributions to graph theory and analytic number theory, with concepts bearing his name, such as Euler's formula in complex analysis and the Euler characteristic in topology, serving as testament to his profound impact on these disciplines. 5. Euclid. Residing in Alexandria during the reign of Ptolemy I, Euclid emerges as one of the most influential figures among the early Greco-Roman mathematicians. His enduring legacy is chiefly anchored in his magnum opus, Elements, a work that served as the cornerstone of geometric studies for centuries, remaining foundational until the 19th century. While the details of Euclid's early life remain shrouded in obscurity, his mathematical contributions have been meticulously preserved and disseminated across the annals of history. Elements, comprising 13 books, stood as a monumental achievement, establishing the bedrock of axiomatic geometry, a field of study of enduring relevance to this day. Euclid's distinctive approach, characterized by rigorous proofs, ushered in a mathematical revolution, furnishing a structured framework of geometric principles that proved invaluable to subsequent Greek mathematicians and scientists. Beyond the realm of geometry, his work laid the fundamental groundwork for the broader domains of mathematical reasoning and proof. 4. Brahmagupta. Hailing from ancient India in the 6th century AD, Brahmagupta emerged as a highly influential mathematician, leaving an indelible mark on the mathematical landscape of his era, notably through his pioneering concept of zero. He stood as the inaugural thinker to formulate comprehensive rules for both negative and positive numbers, a breakthrough that facilitated intricate practical computations, including those related to debt. Brahmagupta's seminal work, the Brahmasphutasiddhanta, holds the distinction of being the first known treatise in history to introduce zero as a fully calculable numerical entity, accompanied by precise regulations governing its utilization within arithmetic operations. This groundbreaking idea proved to be a watershed moment, exerting a profound influence on subsequent mathematicians and astronomers during the later periods of the Arabic and Byzantine civilizations. Additionally, Brahmagupta made substantial contributions to the field of algebra, pioneering early solutions for quadratic equations, further solidifying his legacy as a luminary in the world of mathematics. 3. David Hilbert. David Hilbert, a celebrated German mathematician of the late 19th and early 20th centuries, was born in 1862 in Königsberg, Prussia, which is now part of Kaliningrad, Russia. His journey in the realm of mathematics commenced at the University of Königsberg, and later, he assumed the role of a professor at the University of Göttingen, where he dedicated the lion's share of his illustrious career. Hilbert's enduring legacy is built upon his profound contributions to an array of fields, including algebraic geometry, number theory, and physics. He earned his renown through his pioneering work on axiomatic systems and formal logic, which provided the bedrock for numerous contemporary mathematical concepts. Notably, his 1909 investigations into integral equations laid the groundwork for all 20th-century research in functional analysis. Beyond his mathematical achievements, Hilbert also left an indelible mark on the realms of physics and philosophy, cementing his position as one of the most influential figures in the annals of mathematics and science. 2. Archimedes. Archimedes, also recognized as Archimedes of Syracuse, stood as a polymath residing in Syracuse, Sicily, during the period spanning from 287 to 212 AD. He remains an iconic figure in the annals of mathematics and science, celebrated for his remarkable contributions that continue to resonate through history. Archimedes' enduring legacy encompasses several key achievements, including his profound insight into the relationship between the surface area and volume of a sphere and its circumscribing cylinder. His formulation of the renowned Archimedes principle and the invention of the ingenious Archimedes screw for raising water are among his other notable accomplishments. In addition to his mathematical and engineering feats, Archimedes played a pivotal role in advancing the understanding of simple levers, which, in turn, contributed to the construction of significant elements of Syracuse's infrastructure. Tragically, his life met a somber end during the notorious siege of the city by the Roman general Marcus Claudius Marcellus, an event that also inflicted substantial damage upon the city's infrastructure, marking a poignant chapter in his storied legacy. 1. Al-Khwarizmi. Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, often referred to as Al-Khwarizmi, was a versatile Persian polymath who thrived during the Islamic Golden Age. His birthplace was Khwarizm, which is now recognized as Khiva, Uzbekistan, and it served as the backdrop for his scholarly endeavors, particularly in the fields of mathematics, astronomy, and geography, within a city renowned for its centers of learning and intellectual luminaries. Al-Khwarizmi's most illustrious legacy is his distinction as the father of algebra. This accolade stems from his seminal work, the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing, which not only pioneered the field of algebra but also provided practical solutions for established linear and quadratic equations. Furthermore, he played a pivotal role in advocating and popularizing the use of Arabic numerals and the decimal system across the vast expanse of the Islamic Empire, a numerical system that remains ubiquitous worldwide today.